Hi, everybody. It's the Good Math Guys, Mike and Sean, back at you. We're going to share something with you today in terms of multiplication where we have a multi-digit multiplicand and a multi-digit multiplier called total partial product. This is the method that I always start teaching kids. It doesn't make any difference whether they're at risk in terms of learning math principles or they're quick to understand. It's one that they all like. It's simple. There's no regrouping or anything like that, like there is when we do traditional partial product, which can be found in the textbook. So let's get at it and see if you like it. We're going to do a problem 24 multiplied by 32. Now, when I start here with kids, my questioning to them is, what do we multiply first? And you can't give me any numbers. Well, all of a sudden I see head scratching going on. So I'll offer another little hint. Think place value. Thinking place value only, what do we multiply first? And in this problem, it's going to be the ones place digits. So we're going to multiply this 2 times this 4. So the answer that I would expect, they're giving me no numbers, is ones times ones. My next question to the kids would be, what's the next thing we multiply? And stay thinking place value. Well, in this case, it's the ones times the tens. So ones times tens. What's next in our scheme for multiplying in this problem? Well, it's to multiply tens times ones. It's kind of like a crisscross pattern here. So it would be tens times ones. And our final multiplication would be tens times tens. Tens times tens. So the correct sequence for multiplying something like this is to go here, crisscross, and here. So once the kids fall into that pattern and they understand this right here, then there's no problems, because my next question is going to be, okay, instead of giving me these words, now we're going to go through the same questions, but this time give me numbers. So to multiply ones times ones, that's going to be 2 times 4, which equals 8. And then we're going to do ones times tens. So that would be this 2 times this, which is not a 2, it's a 20. So it would be 2 times 20. 2 times 20 equals 40. The next one then, tens times ones, this is not a 3, it's a 30 times 4. 3 times 4, well, let's get it written here first. 30 times 4 equals, all I have to do here in order to multiply this is go 3 times 4 is 12, and add the 0. And here, we're 30 times 20. 30 times 20. And again, all I have to do is multiply the 2 and the 3. 2 times 3 is 6. And this time, add 2 zeros. So 30 times 20 is 600. Now, we call this total partial product because we've gotten a separate product for every multiplication step that we did here. So what we're left with now are 4 numbers. All we got to do is add them up. So 8, and all those zeros obviously is 8. 4 and 2 is 6. And 1 and 6 is 7. So over here I could say the product for 24 multiplied by 32 is 768. we've gotten some real positive feedback in terms of younger kids using this method and being able to understand what's absolutely happening here. So it's called total partial product. The next thing that we're going to be doing is something called an area model, which is almost identical to this, only this is a bit more traditional. And then we'll get into traditional, which is what's most commonly found in your child's basal textbook at school. And then from there, we'll go to something that we love a lot called lattice multiplication. That's it for today. So for now, this is the Good Math Guys saying bye-bye.